Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to edge a sidewalk with a weed eater. Okay guys, so the first step to getting a nice edge on your lawn is going to be mow your lawn first. Because you want to cut your lawn first so that you know how far back you can cut the edge and do a good job still. So first step, cut your lawn. Next step, you can use a handheld edger like one that you step on, or you can use a weed whacker with a thing on it, or you can use a weed whacker with string and just do it like a bunch of times over and over again until you get a straight line. So I've been working at this for about 3 years now, and I've gotten it pretty straight. So now we'll just go over it with the weed whacker, and I'll show you guys how to hold it the correct way. And make sure when you use the weed whacker, you have safety glasses on, and I mean, you probably should wear some pants, but I don't care. So yeah. Now we'll go over. Now I'll get the weed whacker, and I'll show you guys the best position to hold it, and kind of how to walk along with it and edge the sidewalk. And I'll show you guys over here how to clean up a kind of bad edge with a weed whacker. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to hold the weed whacker and what kind of weed whacker I like to use. So first, I'll start with what weed whacker I like to use. I like to use a straight shaft weed whacker because I think it's just a lot easier to line up the end of the string with the sidewalk and get a clean edge. I mean, a curved shaft will work as well, but it's not as easy to do. And when you do this, you're gonna want one with some power. This is a 34cc 4-strokes. It's pretty powerful. So now I'm gonna go over how to hold it. So if yours has one of those split boom shafts, you can just turn this. But what I like to do is, since my handle is like a D shape, I like to grab it here and hold like this, and then basically walk along like this and go like this. So now I'll start it up and show you guys kind of what I mean. And another thing, when you do this, make sure, since you're going against concrete, right? All right, excuse me. So since you're going against concrete, the string here has a tendency to break off. So you're gonna want to make sure that you have lots of string available. So you're gonna want to make sure you have lots of string and keep bumping it out, because if it gets shorter, it's gonna like not cut efficiently, and it's gonna be really annoying. Okay, and another thing, okay, so those are basically some tips and tricks I'd like to use. And another thing is, I like to stand on the sidewalk side of the grass, because this allows me to see where I'm edging more. Because I like standing on this side because I can see where the line hits the grass, whereas if I go over on this side, it's harder for me to see the edge where the string hits. So it's kind of a personal preference thing. You can pick whatever side you want. Yeah. Now I think I'll just do a time lapse of me finishing up this edge and maybe doing one of these other two. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.